Hello adventurers! Welcome back to DashingHeights Adventure. Today, we'll be visiting the world of Avatar. If you forgot, 13 years ago, there was a great movie that was released. It was about these blue humanoids called Na'vi in an alien planet called Pandora. Humans raided Pandora to harvest very lucrative materials from Na'vi sacred lands. It's worth watching, so I won't spoil any more than that. So, Avatar, The Experience, is a new exhibition in the Cloud Forest at Gardens by the Bay. In this video, I will share with you the experience itself and how to get the best out of your visit. Use the chapters in the description below if you want to skip to the tips. Now, let's see how you can make the best of your experience. Number 1. Skip the Avatarise pod. Don't spend more than 5 minutes queuing here. It's basically just a filter photo booth. You can get as much fun without the wait using Instagram filter. Number 2. Plan your visit time. So, I've summarized the daily crowd data of Cloud Forest from Google Maps here. I went on a Saturday evening and it was very crowded. It doesn't feel as magical with all the humming of the crowd drowning the ambience. Definitely will be nicer when you visit with less people around. Okay, back to the earlier graphs. What you see here, weekdays before 3 PM is ideal to avoid the crowds, and try to avoid weekend after 3 PM. People might want to go in the evening because they want to see the exhibit glow and the lights, but in my opinion, the lightings that are used inside the exhibition are either too harsh or too dim. It's a better viewing experience in the daytime. To summarize, find daytime off-peak period as shown. Number 3. If you're only here for the avatar parts, meaning this is not your first time in the Cloud Forest, you can follow this map to find where all the avatar exhibits are. So either take this screenshot or just take a photo of this when you enter. Also, you can safely skip the Lost World and go straight to the Crystal Mountain. But if it's indeed your first time here, take your time to enjoy everything. Number 4. Bring enough food. If you're not avoiding the crowds, you will be competing for food for lunch and dinner. I had to wait 30 minutes for my dinner to be ready, so I actually went to Flower Dome just to kill time until my food arrives. Especially if you brought your children, have some food or snacks ready to avoid being hungry. You can't eat inside the exhibits, but there are a lot of seating area outside. Number 5. Have your ticket ready. After purchasing the tickets, you'll receive a link in your email to your tickets as QR codes. It's best to download a copy of them in your phone. There will be one QR code for each person that you bought for. Before you reach the gantry, open it and the staff will scan your QR code before you can enter. Bonus tip. If you like Avatar merch, the gift shop is full of nice Avatar related stuff. Just look at this, they have a Navi Merlion. Alright guys, if this has been insightful and helpful, please leave a like and do subscribe if I've earned it. And I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye bye!